Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce Ulhasnagar. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Anil Kaluram Telinge. Dear SST Edupedia के द्वारा हम सब लोगों ने या हमने आप सभी को the BAF related, the syllabus, curriculum oriented, various सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड, वेरियस टॉपिक रिलेटेड नॉलेज देने का प्रयास किया। आज का यह सेशन टीवाई बैप सेमेस्टर 6 कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग में बच्चों को रियली हेल्पफुल वीडियो रहेगा, बिकॉज इस वीडियो में हम बजटरी कंट्रोल इस सिस्टम्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेने वाले हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइज, व्हाट इज बजट एंड देन बजटरी कंट्रोल। If any business organization want to control their product cost as well as to incur the development cost toward the product की cost control करनी है या product development related cost incur करनी है, तो उस business organization को various budget statement बनानी पड़ती है। आप सभी ने मिनिस्ट्री बजट सुना होगा, रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट उनके अपकमिंग एक्सपेंसेस as well as revenue related and expected changes to be incurred in railway department, इससे related budget represent करता है। Same the manufacturing organization, business organization भी budget तैयार करते हैं। Let's see dear the basic concept of the budget. A budget is a financial plan about your company. ये एक financial plan है your company. Identify the expenses to be incurred for the next period. You can make the budget for various costs such as the project cost as well as the product development cost. तो ये 4 सेंटेंस काफी कुछ आपको बजट रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं। जब आप टीवाई बैप के बजट कंट्रोल सिस्टम्स में आएंगे, the organization prepare the various budget number 1, which is treated as a flexible budget. Through the flexible budget, business organization different level of production capacity, how much profitability to be incurred and which position is more profitable, more efficient, effective for business organization, you all identify through the flexible budget. Through the concept of the cash budget, it's helpful for to find out the receipt, which may be a capital or revenue receipt, and whatever the payment may be a capital as well as a revenue payment and deferred revenue payments, all are mentioned under the cash budget. So cash budget helps to the business organization to control the availability of idle cash as well as to avoid the scarcity of cash. Production budget, sales budget, master budgets, functional budgets, all are the different types of the budget which is prepared on a quantitative or numerical basis, which helps the business organization to find out the expenditure as well as receipt to be occur in future date. So meaning यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि एक predetermined statement बनाई जाती है, the expenses to be incurred in upcoming days. Dear, after the meaning of budget, we need to proceed toward the definition of the budget. What is the budget? Budget is a document. Budget ये document है that management make to estimate the revenue and expenses for the upcoming period based on their goals for the business. Every business organization keep the certain goal related increase of the productivities, goal related to enhance the market areas, goals related to develop their product. तो इन सब गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए एक एक्सपेक्टेड इनकम एज वेल एज द एक्सपेंडिचर्स, इसका प्रेडिक्शन किया जाता है एंड साइंटिफिक वे से एक स्टेटमेंट तैयार की जाती है, इसे बजट बोला जाता है। ये डॉक्यूमेंट है, न्यूमेरिकल प्रेजेंटेशंस किया जाता है, एस्टिमेट होता है, रेवेन्यू एज वेल एज एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ अपकमिंग डेज ऑल आर रिप्रेजेंटेड अंडर द बजट सिस्टम और अंडर द बजट पार्ट. Already clear the concept The cash budget is there, flexible budgets are also there, master budget is there, functional budgets are there. So what are the various the objectives of budget? Budgets बनाने के पीछे क्या objectives है? First of all, budget provide the structure. On which structure business need to conduct the business activities, how to enhance the productivities. तो आपको एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाने में वो मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रक्चर होगा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉइंटमेंट स्ट्रक्चर होगा, एक्सपेंडिचर स्ट्रक्चर होगा, रिसिप्ट्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू स्ट्रक्चर होगा, ये सब स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको बजट प्रोवाइड करता है. तो प्रोवाइड द स्ट्रक्चर. इट हेल्पफुल टू प्रेडिक्ट द कैश फ्लोज, द रिसिप्ट्स ऑफ कैश, पेमेंट ऑफ द कैश. तो द प्रेडिक्शंस, आने वाली कैश कौन सी है, पेमेंट ऑफ द कैश कौन सी है, उसका प्रेडिक्शन भी थ्रू द बजट होता है. एंड टॉप मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स टू प्लान. The budgeting helpful for the planning, a proper planning. The experts say that if a better plan, half work to be done. Coordination of the activities, the business having the so many activities, production activities, their distribution activities, their purchase activities, their sales activities are there. So इन सब activities को यदि आप synchronize करते हो, coordinate करते हो, तो effectively उसका outcome बाहर आता है. तो coordination activities, it's also helpful through the budget. There is objectives of the budget. The main important parts, the budget communicate to the subordinate. Cash budget, flexible budget, it guide to the subordinate, it guide to the management. So communications of ideas and plan is the possible to the budgets. All are the objectives of budget. Structure providing, cash flows prediction, planning purpose, coordination purpose, and communications of ideas, all are the objectives of the budgets. Is there a need of a budget? Yes, sir. As a big organization, successful business organization, even a successful individual must prepare or frame the budget. It helps you keep the eye on the prices, whether your product prices are proper or not, affordable or not. You can keep the eyes on that. It helps ensure you don't spend the money you don't have. कहाँ पे पैसा spend करना है, कहाँ पे नहीं करना है, ये भी आपको budgeting help करता है. Lead to happier retirement. It helps you prepare the emergencies itself. The light on the bad spending habits. जो हमारी bad spending habits है, मतलब सेविंग कर सकते हैं. रिटायरमेंट में आपको अच्छे दिन चाहिए, तो इंडिविजुअल बेसिस पे भी बजट्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. प्रेडिक्शंस किया जाता है, एस्टिमेशन किया जाता है. If anyone prepare the budgets, what are the different importance of the budget? बजट के क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, तो उन्होंने बताया कि बजट इज प्लान for using your money in a way that meets your needs and wants. Whatever your needs at the education point of view, needs, it may be in old age arrangement, ये सब provisions आप through the proper budget कर सकते हैं. हम individual budgets as well as the organizational budgets को combinedly understood करने का प्रयास करते हैं. यही किया जाता है ना cash budgets में. When you sales, how your money to be received? Sales may be a cash basis, sometimes may be a credit basis. So recovery from the debtors. When you purchase the commodities, there may be a payment. The payment basis, how to pay to the customers. अब customers को किस तरह payment या supply को किस तरह payment करते हो? So everything are involved under to the budget. So budget is important for how to use the money. It also helps to control the spending of the money. If your money spent or wastage of money is there, it's apart or opposite to your objects or the goals, you can't accomplish your goals in predetermined times, so there's needs of the budget. उस समय आपको बजट की बहुत हेल्प होती है. Not designed to deprive but assist to reaching the personal goals. If you budget properly, it is helpful for the achievement of the goal. अब आपके goals achieve कर सकते हैं. ये assistant है for the achievement of the goals. इसके मदद से थ्रू द बजटरी कंट्रोल के मदद से आप आपके गोल्स को अचीव कर सकते हैं. यस, व्हेन यू प्रिपेयर द प्रोडक्शन बजट प्रॉपरली, सो व्हाटएवर योर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, आप कितने यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हैं, वेदर द स्टैंडर्ड प्रोडक्टिविटी इज अचीव और नॉट, बजट्स आपको सपोर्ट करता है. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द बजट. Cash is an important factor which is need for the not only the day-to-day activities. It is helpful for the survival of business organization. It need to use proper ways. Management of cash necessary. Budget helps for that. Using, spending, receipt of the cash, preparations of the control systems of the expenditure. इन सब चीजों के लिए आपको budget important होता है. Budgetary support करता है. The conclusions of the today's chapter, the budget plays a key role in implementation of strategy and controlling the cost. Whatever strategy business organization frame, whatever strategy business organization prepare, उसको एक्चुअल में लाने के लिए, इम्प्लीमेंटिंग करने के लिए आपको बजटरी कंट्रोल सिस्टम सपोर्ट करती है. Once you develop the budgeting system, provide a management with a budgeting system, provide the management with the means, controlling activities, avoiding the wastage, ये सब चीजें through the budgeting आप कर सकते हैं. तो simply a forecasting estimated statement prepared by any business organization to control over the expenditure incurs and to manage how to collect or collections of the money from the debtors, etc., and avoiding the waste control of the business organization for the achievement of the goals. The various statements to be prepared are related with the management of cash budget, are relevant with the management of the productions as per the requirement production budget. Different capacities are there. It is stated as a flexible budget. So various budget systems we learn here, the introductory parts of the budget, need, objective, importance, etc. So very next lectures में how to construct the flexible budgets, how to construct the cash budget, what do you mean by the master budgets, and the types of the different budget will clear in a simple sense. Thank you. Thanks a lot.